Welcome! Today, we're introducing the Skills Matrix, a powerful tool to map, assess, and develop the skills of your team. So, what exactly is a skills matrix? It's a visual chart that helps you understand the current skill levels of each team member across various competencies. By outlining each person's strengths, proficiency levels, and areas of interest, you can easily spot skill gaps and opportunities for growth. This makes it invaluable for aligning employee development with both personal and business goals, ensuring your team has the right skills to meet evolving demands. Why is a skills matrix important? It goes beyond tracking competencies. It empowers leaders to make informed training decisions, assign the right people to the right projects, and plan for future needs. With clear insights into your team's skills, you can boost engagement, enhance performance, and build a strong foundation for your organization's success. To make things even easier, we've created a free, customizable skills matrix template in FigJam, brought to you by Ally. Start by adding your departments and specific roles, organizing the matrix so it's easy to see which skills are essential for each function. Next, use the Skill Category section to list key competencies for these roles, such as technical abilities, communication, or leadership skills, customizing them to suit your team's needs. Then, assess proficiency levels for each skill, rating team members from novice to expert, so it's clear where they excel and where they need development. In addition to proficiency, employees can indicate their interest in developing each skill, which helps you design training plans that align with both organizational goals and individual motivation. Finally, use the matrix as a roadmap to create personalized development plans, spot training priorities, and plan resources efficiently. By using this skills matrix template in FigJam, you'll gain clear insights into your team's strengths and development needs, making it easy to support continuous growth, allocate resources, and empower every team member to reach their full potential. Start using the Skills Matrix today to strengthen your team and drive success.